Welcome back to Java Code Academy. Today we discuss about advanced loops in inheritance, composition versus inheritance. The inheritance trap. You learned inheritance and it seems great. You create a bird class, then extends it to eagle and pigeon. Code reuse. But then your boss says we need a toy bird made for plastic. You try to extend bird, but wait. Bird has a eat method. Plastic toys don't eat. Now you are stuck. You have inherited logic you don't want. This is the inheritance trap. Is A versus A versus has A. The difference comes down to relationship. Is A is inheritance. Dog is animal. It inherits everything good and bad. It is a rigid permanent bond. Has A is a composition. Car has engine. The car isn't an engine. It just uses once. This is flexible. You can swap the engine out. Defining the relationships already we done. Now moving to the next one. Why? Why inheritance falls short? It is a rigid hierarchy, the diamond problem, and Friggle base classes. The Friggle base class problem. Why is inheritance dangerous? Imagine you have a parent class with 50 children. If you change one line of code in the parent, you might accidentally break all 50 children. This is called the tight coupling. Composition removes the risk because classes remains independent. What is Friggle classes? Whenever change in a parent class can unexpected impact all child classes. You're right, understand? Then the diamond problem, Java does not support multiple inheritance creating design limitations. In Java inheritance is it does not supports the multiple inheritance with extends keyword. It use the implements keyword, then it support it now. Now visualizing the composition, the Lego analogy. Imagine a car built from vehicle bricks. You know the vehicle bricks already. Window bricks and chassis bricks. This composition you can easily swap a wheel bricks for sticky bricks to transform the car into snowball. This is level of dynamic adoption is impossible with the rigid interface. The golden rule of composition favor composition over inheritance. Effective Java item 18. Composition in action. Composition promotes building complex objects for similar independence. Each component focuses a specific behavior, making system more modular and easier to maintain. Modular design is independent component. Easier maintenance was changes are localized. Reusable components are built new features quickly. Increased flexibilities are runtime behavior for changes. This is the action of composition. And inheritance when we used to use it. While composition is often preferred, inheritance still has Its place, especially when modeling clear, is a means it is a inheritance. As a means composition. Hierarchy where subclasses truly specialize the behavior of superclass without altering its fundamental nature. Clear is a relationship. Subclasses specializes superclasses. Shared base functionalities. The power of inheritance. Interfaces can crucially enabling composition by defining contracts that components must adhere to. This allows interchangeable parts, further enhancing flexibility and stability. Define the contracts and enable swappability, like improving testability easier to isolated unit tests. When you are go to J unit testing learn, you understand what is testing and improve it. In Java testing, we everyone should use the oops concept is more important for the Java testing. Please carefully you learn it and execute them. Our real world impact. The delegate pattern, notice line 15, the case dot press button. The PC doesn't know how to press the button. It delegates the task to case object. This is cleaner and safer. When should you use inheritance? So inheritance dead. No. Use extends only when there is a genuine is a relationship. A cat is truly an animal. The base class is stable and won't change often for everything else. Features, abilities, components, and use composition. This is the overview of the composition. We learn about the the prioritize composition for flexible, maintainable, and reusable code. Understand inheritance. Use it for true is a relationship and specialization. Leverage interfaces to define contracts and promotes components interchangeability. This is one of the main thing in composition. Composition gives you flexibility, inheritance gives you rigidity. Next time we cover the final advanced topic, the static keyword and why it breaks oops. Please like and share, subscribe to Java Code Academy.